Hello guys, let's analyze today's price action of the gold. I have taken one trade in the gold and it was a loss. So my whole idea, I have taken screenshot and shared in the Discord. I'll show you here. It is better because in the trading view, it all price action already, already formed. So at that time, the daily candle was looking something like that, and I was expecting this, continuation move towards this previous daily highs. And my idea was price came to the daily fair value gap from the SMT with silver, and I was looking to take long positions and just to target previous daily highs. This is the nearest target I had. So how did I took the entry? On the 4 hour, if you see, we already formed the reversal during the 9 p.m. on the ASIA. And what do we have here? If you see, this is the inside bar. That means what? Price went above the previous high, and we are ranging. So if we are ranging, that means what? It is a consolidation price action. That means expansion, consolidation, then expansion. So price cannot reverse from here directly. Price at least should take this range high. We already took the range low, so now the drawn liquidity is this one, previous daily highs. After that it can reverse or it can go high or consolidate. That does is that is we are not sure about this what it will do, but from this price action we can see this is the expansion into consolidation. So if we cannot reverse from the consolidation, then we have what left? We have expansion left. So I was expecting the expansion, and if I am expecting expansion, so I need to take position on the 4 hour candle. So we already confirmed the daily wick by this candle, 9 p.m. candle, and I was expecting to take trade on the 1 a.m. candle. Okay, if I'll show you here, price open, but it has no wick. That's why I didn't, get enter here. I waited for the wick to form. This all move to the upside from opening. It is what? It is a manipulation. I'll show you how. So I didn't get FOMO. I waited patiently here, and I waited for price to come again and form the wick. Okay, so how? Uh, See here. This is what 4 hour open. Okay, this is 4 hour open. What we did, see there is no wick. 1 a.m. we started expanding to the upside. That means there is no wick. So on the bullish day we have what? On the bullish candle we have open. Price should come low from the wick, then it should expand. So though we are expanding to the upside, I thought this is the manipulation. So I didn't take any entry in the lower time frame here. I waited. Okay. And here I saw we already confirmed the change in state of delivery on the 30 minute. Also we confirmed this order block by retesting it, and now price is respecting this one. Okay. So what happened here? See this move. See this move. Price aggressively, and what time? 3 a.m. See on the 3 a.m. price came down aggressively, taken all this liquidity, and see this dotted line. This dotted line is 4 hour open. Okay. See this dotted line. See this dotted line is a 4 hour open. Okay. So price came where? Price came below the opening price. That means what? This is a week. This is the week of the 4 a.m. 4 hour candle, and we have also SMT formed here. So I waited for the confirmation. If you see here, I waited for the confirmation. Confirmation what? I need change in state of delivery. Okay, what does it mean? That means price should close off the consecutive down close candle, and this closing is here. It is too high in the range. I waited for continuous order block, and this if you see this down close candle, it came down and price closed above. That means what? It is a continuous order block. But this is not that much relevant because it didn't do anything. That means it retraced, but retraced to where? Retraced to not any significant key level. That means not taken liquidity, not retraced to previous order block, not retraced to any fair value gap. But when this up close candle close above this down close candle, I executed market order. I kept stop loss. I gave it some room because we have the fair value gap. Price can simply retrace. Also on the M5 we have fair value gap. If you see this reversal sequence, what is it? Is it V-shape reversal? We have fair value gap. Like all criteria are matching. The only thing is there is no such valid entry point. So I executed here. I kept the stop loss below this fair value gap formed candle. So if price want to retrace, should at least retrace to this fair value gap and should push up. This was my whole idea. And what happened? See this candle. This is 30-minute candle. Okay, this 30-minute candle came down from the wick, and this candle was expanding. That means what? We formed the swing point, and we have the confirmation here. And I executed the market order. But what happened? Where is the okay? So I'll show you now here. So come to the 3 minute. Here is my trade. See, then what happened? Price took this highs and retraced aggressively. Okay, aggressively it retraced and took me out. But but here we already have one more entry formation formed. I didn't look at the chart because I was traveling, and I was not interested also because today is the day prior to the NFP, so I avoided taking more trades here, just to keep the losses small, and I don't want to take more loss. So also tomorrow is Friday, so I don't want to close this week in negative. So I'll show you how we could have taken entry here also. If you'll come to the 30-minute, see, this is such a messy price action. The delivery is not that nice, and also if you see, there are a bunch of liquidity here, like all are stag lows. So that's why I was not interested. I was interested here when price came down here. Also, we have some lows here, and I was not interested here in this SMT, to take the trades. So if you come to the XAU USD, see this one. See this one. This low is taken by this candle. Low is taken by this candle. But we have SMT here on this candle. Okay. But where are we forming the SMT is important. Okay, we are forming SMT at this lows. These are not relevant lows. You're getting my point. These are all equal lows. That means a bunch of liquidity area. If you come to the 5 minute, you will see these lows. See this like clear support here. Okay, you're getting my point. So I don't want to take trades. Again, trades away from this failure thing. This is failure thing. I don't want to take trades, and that's why I didn't took any entry here. And also this entry is not valid. The first entry is valid. The only negative part is the entry is way high. You're getting my point, way high in the range. And yeah, this is, and what happened? Let's see this reversal final. Okay, so what happened here on the 5 a.m. Also, I didn't get involved because I was not monitoring the chart. But drawn liquidity is taken. We have idea price should go to take this previous daily highs, and from there it reversed. This is a Thursday reversal, and see this momentum. See this all lows. All of this liquidity are taken in the single candle. This is the actual move of the day. This is not the actual move. This is the actual move of the day. And how this 9 a.m. form? This 9 a.m. form simply by the T-trade fractal model. How the same swing point formation. If you see here, what happened? 8 a.m. This is the 9 a.m. candle. 9 a.m. candle from the from the swing point. This is the opening of the 9 a.m. candle. So if you see the 30-minute, you will find something here. Sure. See, what do we have? If someone is planning, to take a reversal entry, this is the solid entry, to take. You can literally enter here at the, very top of the 9 a.m. candle. How? In the 3 minute. See the massive move. Why I am telling you to take entry here, because on the expansion candle we have small wick. See this small wick. How we can confirm? We can confirm by the change in state of delivery. So what happened here? Price expanded to this previous daily size and closed below this close candle. So here could have here could have the first entry, and you can place the stop loss here, and you can target simply to these all lows. This could have been a massive trade of 6 RR. So can you see this momentum coming? So this was a very good trade and a valid one also. So but we didn't plan this, so we need to plan our trade and trade our plan. This is the first thing we need to consider. So okay, this is about gold trade, and I wanted to journal a Euro USD also, and I'll show you what happened today. So what we have done, we formed the C2 candle 2 on Wednesday. Okay, how we closed inside the range, inside the daily fair value gap, and what we can expect on the candle 3 on the Thursday. If we fail to close above this previous candle high, and now that means what? This is the C1, this is C2, and we can at least expect a continuation move on the C3 on the Thursday. I was expecting the continuation move on the euro. So what happened? If I'm expecting the expansion, and my first target was this this fair value gap starting, and also this volume imbalance on the weekly. This is the target. If I am expecting expansion, then what I need this week to be a small daily week. So how we will confirm it? First, we need some kind of key level. So what key level do we have here? We have, if you see, there in 4 hour we don't have any key level. If you come to the 1 hour, you will see the consolidation here. Here we have the consolidation. We need to confirm the reversal first. Okay. So where the reversal get confirm, it confirm here. This up close candle, price close below this. Now the reversal is confirmed on the daily. Okay, this is the first confirmation, and we are expecting here on the downside move. So what happened from the opening, from the daily open? price went up, taken this range high. Okay, I was monitoring that time here, but I want to journal this one. This this bulky body when closed above this range high. Now my interest lacked here because I wanted to see a reversal candle, not the expansion candle. But what price did? Price manipulated on the 1 a.m. by by bullishness, by strong close, and what it did on the newer 5 a.m. It swept the high. It swept the high on the 5 a.m. candle, then reverse. Can you see this manipulation? So it is not always like price should, will weak every time, like something like that. I wanted to see something like that, big weak and small body. But what price did? It closed bullishly and then it swept this previous candle high and closed inside the range. That means what? This is the confirmation of the manipulation. Okay, this is not the invalidation of the trade, and we can look to enter on this 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Candle. I'll show you how. So when we form the daily week, now we can look to trade 9 a.m. How we can take entry? Come to the 1 hour. 1 hour there is nothing. Yes, 1 hour we can say we have already treated fractal model. If you see it here, also we do have some kind of SMT here with this euro. Okay, on this candle you can take entry on 5 minutes because we already formed this candle too here. Okay, I'll show you how. If you come to the 5 minute, we have change in state of delivery. If you see it here, this candle took this high, and we have this we have confirmation candle here, so you can directly execute market order. And what are the targets? Targets are these lows. Okay, this is the first target we have from the 5 minute. It is a 2.5 hour, but I'll show you how to increase the risk to reward. So if you come to the 30 minute, you will see here what do we have. This is the 9 a.m. open. 9 a.m. What it did from the opening, it formed a consolidation candle. Okay, so what do we have? This is the expansion. This is consolidation. Then we are expecting the expansion. After consolidation, we need expansion. So we have here forming the C2 of this 30 minutes. So you can position here also. If you come to the 30 minute, 3 minute time frame alignment, here is the change in state of delivery. Okay, now this could have been the great trade. Like it is better than the gold also because gold we already have drawn liquidity taken and we are expecting reversal candle. This is the C2 reversal. This is C3 expansion. This is high probability and literally you could have target all these slows. And how much it is? It is a 7 hour trade. I could have passed in this one trade, the funded account. So yeah, I missed it, but that's why I'm journaling it here. And no issue. Maybe next week we will see. We will find this trade. This thing are happening again and again. So we just need to wait patiently for price actions to align. Okay, this is all about today for gold and the euro.